Grafton, Illinois has been all but shut down for a few weeks due to extensive flooding. Even the grocery store was underwater for a time.
5 on your side's Tracy Henson visited the Grafton market to see when they'll be able to open their doors again.
There's one grocery store in Grafton. It's open from 8 to 8 normally, but for now, water is blocking the main road in both directions. Only 50 yards of dry ground in between.
I love my store.
Lomker's been in business for less than a year. Before she opened Grafton Market, the building sat empty for several years and the town didn't have a full-size grocery store. When the flooding started, she had about 2 days to close up shop.
And we just packed everything up and got it out.
She didn't come back to the store much while it was flooded, but she still kept an eye on it.
I watch it through my cameras all the time, so I've been able to see it. So we got about 6 inches in the store. I was just praying it didn't get very high.
And it didn't. Most of their equipment and their non-perishable items made it through the flood just fine. Everything that couldn't keep was given away before they had to close.
We sliced up all the cheese and the deli meat and we just gave that away too.
It will be another week until she can get behind her deli counter again, but she's most excited to get back to her candy case.
I love when people come in and I can give them candy out of my candy case, and just seeing the people again. I miss seeing everybody.
Looks like the river finally got the message. They're hoping to reopen the store next Friday. In Grafton, I'm Tracy Henson, 5 on your side.